Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi A4 boot without battery. First, check for the manual trunk release lever near the driver's seat and pull it firmly. If that fails, fold down the rear seat to access the emergency pull tab inside the trunk area. Use a slim tool to remove interior panels carefully and always work gently to avoid breaking clips or trim pieces. In this video, I will explain how to open Audi A4 boot without battery. Find the emergency key blade inside your key fob or glove box and use it in the boot lock cylinder. Turn the key gently while feeling for resistance and unlock the trunk slowly to avoid jamming. If the lock feels stiff, apply a little lubricant and work the key back and forth until the mechanism releases smoothly and the boot opens. In this ad break, if you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful content. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with practical car maintenance discipline. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to open Audi A4 boot without battery. Try using the interior trunk release lever in the driver area or fold down seats to reach the emergency pull tab inside the trunk. If electronic release is the only option, access the battery or disconnect the negative terminal briefly to reconnect power for a moment. Always take care when working near electrical components and secure panels when finished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.